Hiya, we're here at the Glenveagh National Park, the Park National to Glenveagh, and this is Loch Glenveagh behind us. And today they're going to do a presentation or exhibit for the A.E. Russell. And A.E. Russell is a famous Irish person from 100 years ago. Today is the 90th anniversary of the death of A.E. Russell. And A.E. Russell was a famous Irish person, mystic, poet, artist, and influencing on the Irish politics of the time. And so anyway, the castle in Glenveagh has an exhibit of his artwork and about his life that's going on for the end of the month of March here. And then on the 29th of March, they're going to be doing a presentation with guest speakers and all kinds of stuff from Dublin and stuff. So this is mainly from the Dublin A.E. Russell Society and the Lurgan A.E. Russell Society in Northern Ireland. So anyway, we'll meet you at the castle. So now we're upstairs inside the castle in the library, and I call it the Blue Room, but this is the library. And you can see here, this is a A.E. Russell painting that's on loan from the Glenveagh Gallery there. And then in the library itself, as part of the collection of the castle itself, is some of the A.E. Russell paintings. And so the A.E. Russell paintings in here are over there in the back one corner there, and I'll have some pictures, I'll put them up for you. And then this painting over here on the doorway as you just come in. And this, you can see this is a A.E. Russell, there's his signature there. And so these have been here for years. So I remember coming in here 10 or 15 years ago and seeing the paintings and going like, wow, that's really good. I didn't know the history of it at the time, but now that I find out more, it's even more inspirational. So this is, I call it the Blue Room, and a lot of the furniture, like that writing desk over there, supposedly that statue is from Spain or Italy, of St. Jerome, I think, and that was here during Kingsley-Porter's time. And a lot of the furniture in here is actually older than the castle. Okay, hi. So we just finished up having a tour of the A.E. Russell, George William A.E. Russell exhibit at Glenveagh Castle, and we met up with our friends Sean again, the head gardener here, and Jim Conway from Lurgan, who's the founder of the A.E. Russell Society in Lurgan, and Michael McKinnon, anyway, and he was the author of the books on A.E. Russell that just came out recently, in the last 10 years or so, and recently another one. Anyway, so those meetings were really grand, but they're not available for video public consumption. So anyway, so coming up on March 29th, there's going to be a presentation here at the castle that will talk about A.E. Russell. And so Jim Conway and Michael are giving the speech, and then also Charlie Gallagher from Marble Hill, or actually from Dunfanny, he'll be doing the presentation as well. So as you may not know, but A.E. Russell hang out a lot with the Law family in Marble Hill when he wasn't here with Kingsley-Porter at the castle. So it's really exciting, and if you have a chance to get out here before the end of March and see the exhibit, it'd be grand, and you're Cain Milafata, you're very welcome here. So we had a few minutes and we're walking around some parts of the Glenveagh that are magical, and A.E. Russell spent a lot of time here, and he said he ran into the Dinamahe, and so of course we found one of their places, and it's really magical, it still is. So if you're attuned to these sort of things, then it's a good walk to go past the castle and go exploring wherever they lead you, and you'll find some Driach there for sure. So we're here at the Glenveagh Waterfall, the heights in Glenveagh, and as you can see it's behind me, it's at the end of the valley here, the Glenveagh Valley. And of course that almost says valley, but hey, Glenveagh, the Glenveagh, Tasha and Glenveagh. And anyway, it's a good walk. If you start at the car park, it's about 7.5 kilometres. If you start at the castle, then it's about 3.5 kilometres here. And they say it takes about 45 minutes, but it's so magical along the way that you probably don't want to take 45 minutes. You want to go a lot longer like we did. So when we left, it was sunny and pretty, but now it's a bit cloudy now. It's getting late in the day. But this is one of the best waterfalls to go to, and in the mix you get to see the castle and all the history too. So hopefully we'll see you here sometime.